What a great day. I cannot believe how beautiful it is for Unity and Kindness Day today.
We're here to celebrate Unity and Kindness Day. Today is a special day for our institution, and we're glad that all of you can gather here today. We want to feel connected. We want to be respected and appreciated. We want to be loved.
Have a refreshment, fill out a kindness message, engage as a community, and participate in one of the wellness activities that we have set up for you. So welcome everyone, thank you.
These are acts of kindness. We have blank cards that people can write their own words on to leave on our ring, and then as they leave it, they can take ones that somebody else wrote. So it's a really nice way to connect people with acts of kindness, even though you've never met them before.
We are spreading our education about equality, diversity, and inclusion.
It just takes 1 minute for us to just pause and reset, and that just relieves the stress.
We should love one another and be kind to one another.
Thank you to everybody who's come out to make this a really special day. Together, all of us are going to make a difference when it comes to reducing health disparities and creating an environment that is more inclusive, more diverse, and more equitable for everyone. Thank you to everybody across the system for all the things you do to help us take the best care possible of our patients.